Buddy, my name is Philip from the channel Los Santos Polski Hity, and welcome to the game called My Garage. In today's episode, we are going to look at the new thing they added, which is a motorbike, and it's on a mod. It's an official thing in the unstable data. In the unstable branch, they added a motorbike, and we're gonna try to fix it. So first things first. They also, if you look at the engines, they also added the i6 engine, which means inline 6. If you look at it, let me see. Inline 6 means that they're all line up. Cylinder, cylinder cover, oil pan. Here the engine block means inline, means 6 pistons in a row. And the car I have right here, this car here is gonna get this i6 engine. Then I have this car project. This car I'm building to be lowrider. Needs a bit of working, cleaning, and derusting. Panels, seen better days. That's gonna have to go on the lift, but to do that I need to put the thing. But today's episode is all based on this thing, and of course we are gonna rebuild it from the scratch. Whatever can be salvaged is gonna be salvaged. But you don't need to go to junkyard if you wanna build a motorbike, because if you go here, guys, and go into 500cc, you can buy all the engine parts. But if you go into suspension, hold on, sorry, I need to go. You can practically, sorry, if you go into body, you can buy the chassis, and then build from the scratch. And that's what we're gonna do in today's episode. Is to, even though the engine looks good, we're still gonna take this junk apart and see what can be salvaged and what. And they also added these things that you can now have bulbs in the little packages and spark plugs. But first things first, I need to find the spanner and go for losing, because we are rebuilding this motorbike from the scratch. Well, not from the scratch, sorry, we're just gonna rebuild it in general. So to do that, we'll see what can be saved and what cannot be saved. So first things first is we're gonna do that. Just remove the whole thing like this. Exhaust seems better. Don't know what the creator's idea was with the motorbike, but it's interesting, I have to say. I never seen such a beauty. So we actually gonna do is remove everything possible, and then from there we're gonna rebuild this. I'm thinking we're not gonna salvage anything. I have money for the budget, so I'm thinking what we're gonna do instead is just build the whole engine, see where that's gonna lead us. Like thinking, that something is salvageable. This is a goner. In real life you can fix the exhaust, but you won't pass the standards procedure. So I'm thinking we're not gonna save nothing from it, just the chassis, is this part. But what we're gonna do is remove these panels, because we're gonna buy everything new for this motorbike, including engine and everything, and build from the scratch. I wonder, can we remove the engine so we can rebuild it? Okay, it wasn't possible. I tried to build this motorbike on my own other day. A little bit confused, but the chassis is in a good condition, so we're gonna leave this We're gonna sell the rest and see how much we can make of it. Even though there's good parts, I wanna show you guys what it feels like if you wanna build a motorbike from scratch. That's what it's gonna be today's episode practically. It's just we're building the motorbike. I already rebuilt one. Didn't paint it, so didn't get good money for it. That always happens. There's no little hand. Game sometimes glitches, see? So all I have to do is basically save and quit, which is basically what I need to do, and then go back to the game again. And then we should be able to start the game. Okay, now we're back in the menu. I have to start again because the game glitches. So from there. And sometimes the game loads in because I chose the expanded map. Now we wait for the game to load in. There we go, because I was not able to pick up the parts like that. Whenever they added new things, it always happens. But it's okay, because we're back again and we can start from the scratch, even though I could save up a lot of money just building it. But, for this purpose of the video, we're just gonna go through the lazy process of buying everything, because I need to finish working on certain cars, and I have another project coming up soon, guys, for you to enjoy. Is the first time we're gonna be restoring the Bart car. I never got a chance to get to it, and now that I have more free time on my hands, I have a nice car from Junkyard bought for the project. A rough condition like you seen the one outside. So first things first, we're gonna buy suspension. So to do that, all you need to go is L500 and suspension. But we also need body. So we need swim arm and a 333 kickstand. We practically need to buy everything. These things need to be painted. So we're gonna paint that bike we're doing today red. Red for speed. Then we have these things. You know, to build the suspension. You can, if you want to cheat the build this way. I need to find most of these are not screwdriver. All you do is go like and that's mostly most parts done. Okay, that needs to be painted as well. That's the wheels, that's the least we need to worry for now. That's the back. Let's paint the paints. Parts that need to be painted red. Can we paint the rims? No, rims are black, okay. So all we do is paint whatever is paintable. I'm gonna put that there because I think that's the wheel sprocket, so I think that goes on the rear wheel because that's how things work. What I'm doing, as you can see, is just making sure all the screws can. This wheel is not finished yet, guys, because we have to go to brakes. We need to buy front disc, brake drum, brake pedal, caliper, brakes, and brakes. So we need to practically. That's the front wheel. So daughters, this worst bit for me building engine. Is it one stroke engine? You can say making sure all the nuts are tight. There we go. Then we go back to this thing, sorry. That is brake shoes, so that goes on the back. This. And that goes in the back wheel. Like this. Oops. Yes. Before the first time I built it, but there's this lock nut. Locks. You have calipers on the motorbike. Now all we need to do is put this on. This. And touch that up and down. Boom, boom, boom. Right. Then we need to do push that down. That's the fender. No, that's the back one. I did front. Oh, flips for days. Love that, don't we? The back wheel. Let's work on the front wheel for now. And bring that back. I'm trying to show you guys what it's like to build a motorbike in this game. That's the episode, because I have another episode waiting for you soon. At the moment, I just decided to show you what new they added. In the next episode, we're definitely gonna build that engine, not the one, the inline 6 engine. Gonna build that next job for us to do. That's not completed yet. It goes here. That's the back. Put that outside for now, so we don't get confused. I always do the way I do is I always build what I, and then from there and work it out. What needs to be added? So engine we're gonna build. Of course, we need to build the engine first before we can do anything. Put the sprockets, the chains in the positions needed. That's empty, so I'm gonna put that out. That's the back of the motorbike. Now, let's not forget we need. Sorry, brake lever. Oh, I bought the steering wheel again. That's okay. Because it never hurts to have spare. You know, spare with steering wheels. Alright. Little screw here. Oh, let's not forget. Need to buy. There's no. I'm looking for bulbs. I think it's gonna be in accessories. All cars need to buy bulbs. All done now before we forget that we this. And the next thing we're gonna work on, engine. Yes, guys, it's one of these bad boys. Because see, new paint. Oh, okay. Looks good. Then we have this. We don't need that attachment. That's for the bike. Cars. We are actually doing the motorbike my ways. That's the way I will do it. Like, put the things that are hard to put on, then bring it to the frame, and then from there work out what's what. Oops. I don't know which one goes where. That's just the building mod. Not a mod. It's an official unsteady build, and that's where they added the new cars, new things. In the next episode we are gonna work on the best part, which is putting the i6 engine. I wonder what the i6 engine is gonna look like. Our beautiful car runner, even not once was used. There we go. We have most parts done. All we need is to bring this thing into the frame, because they're the studs. Thing for the person that sits in the back. That's that. Let's just take this for a minute. As you can see, we're gonna have a good video today about building motorbike in the game that is designed to fix the. But it's okay, because it's a game, guys, no? No hard feelings. I didn't do lots of in this game lately. Busy with work. Whenever I find free time, I usually spend it with my girl instead of giving you guys YouTube videos. Oh, busy life. I think I can just put this even though there's no engine. That's funny looking, but we're gonna put that last. First things first. You can put that when the engine is back on. Now we need to do is tighten this last thing to put on. Important at the moment. What is this? Empty box. That's the chain. Alright, so we have spare parts. What is this? Brake pedal. Did I buy 2 of those by accident? Looks like I did. Okay, because this goes in the bin. Oh, this is the bin box, which means things that we bought. What's in here? Now I show you something that because we're not finished yet. This is just the beginning of our beautiful friendship. Alright, we have a red motorbike. That's the whole front. Seated out there. And now, what do we need to work on? Well, engine is the last thing we're gonna put in. Is we need to fuel. How can we have fuel in this thing? Here we I don't own motorbike. They're dangerous. Whoever does, congrats to you, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy your motorbike. There's no reg plates for the motorbike. I would love if there was like a little plastic holder. Now we have that. It's starting to look like a motorbike. Ish. Now, what we're gonna do is try to put the battery on. Last bit we're gonna do, I always do, is order it. First, build the main frame. Engine can go always last. No, that's just me. Everyone is different way. Some people, when they play this game, they will start building engine. Me, I always start with the suspension. Then actually body one. I always start with the body one. But first, whenever I build, always strip the engine part. Ooh, okay. Way I can do this to work perfectly. Motorbike are sideways and put the wheel in. Always losing tools and shit. And wheel install. That's practically starting to look like a motorbike. Now all I need to do is grab the box of these. Oops, me relive you. That means we have extra bulbs. Good. I'll put them in other box. At least I have one out. I know if I'm gonna need one. The countertop. Okay, let's not waste more time. We're already on the 24th minute. So now, fun part, which is, oops, I bought the fuel again, but that's okay. All we need to do is purchase the whole catalog and start building the engine. think I bought timing chain. There we go. Let me see. That's the last job. Let me see. One of those is just the covers. Okay, I think I can do fine the way I'm doing. Find the right parts. Oh, that. Have my trustworthy tool. Oh. And slide it in like this. I don't know the order, hold on. I know that the top, that, I think the gas. Yeah, down there. Okay. Not. What we have to do is build up the gears, guys. Oh, it's not glitching this. Last time I was building, it was like a blah, 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 dancing very badly. Hey, hold on. What? I think I can build engine practically out of the motorbike. Usually, when I was doing this myself, engine was glitching, but I see the creator fixed it. No, the glitching, flying, and stuff like very good of him. It shows that he's really looking after him, doing instant fixes all the time. It's needed in the game. Is exactly what we need in like this. Is the starter. Things from down. See if there's any more screws. Nope. Starter go here. I think that's the cover. Means you're just building an engine out of the motorbike. That is the air filter. That is the fuel. Oil filter. This is the cover for it. And guys, flip this over. Engine top heavy. Oh, see? I want to stay in one place. Flips over whenever it feels. Okay. Stay on this side for a minute. There we go. Hey. Oh, gasket. Loop. Then did wrong. This ah, I'll show you guys. Chain buckle. Done. This, loop, 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 That's just the covers. There it is, top cover for this. You can actually tell, guys, the motorbike engine. I already see it. It looks just like a basic motorbike engine. All I have to do is put the spark plug in. Where is the spark plug? Going to put the spark plug left. This engine is not complete yet. Look. What is this? Clutch. Oi! I think put the covers too early. Hold on. Where is the clutch missing? Clutch? Oh, it's tied to over here. Yep, got the clutch. That's just alternator. Starter popped out. Starter popped. And the clutch here. Yeah, I forgot about the clutch. That's what happens when you rush. Failed. It's okay, because you're learning on the mistakes you're making while building. And people love to see something happen in the game. I did for you guys. See me now, not complaining. That goes here. And the filter goes then. You will lie. Here. Go. That over here. That passenger. Oh, the engine is sleeping. Now, where does the spark plug go? There. Where does the spark plug go? Oh, there. And that's where the exhaust goes. Oh, find the way up then. Oh, even better. What did I put on? That didn't get screwed on. Starting to look like a motorbike to me already. And that goes here. It will start. Telling you. What is this? Gear lever. That goes here. And that's where it should. Alright. Engine and a half. Now, I'm gonna put them in the sausage. No, just have. And I'm gonna go bloop. My spark plug is not connected. And then bloop. And we're gonna marry those parts together. Oops. And please. Oi. Kinda. Oi, there we go. And the little puppy. This. We need again. Ah yes, I see the way the game did it. It did like in real life, where in goes first, then see, and practically we have ourselves built a motorbike. Except I have to put the spark plug in and connect the exhaust. Is what kind of motorbike has no. Let's see how much we can sell this bad boy. Motorbike coming up. Oh, yeah. I already just want to fall over on me. Oh, it's supposed to be done. And we got ourselves a build a motorbike. Working motorbike. Which is very nice for people who is loving motorbike. I did that. Parts. I was just typing Lucille. There we go. Let's see. Have a nice screenshot for the YouTube. Now. So far so good, guys. All I have to do is grab this, take it outside, start it again. Take it for the spin around the block. Piece of equipment. Hold on. Where is the one? Oh, it fell. And that was the nice motorbike to own. How much did it sell for? Oh, the color combination is horrible. Because oh, color. Now everything is 5 stars and we can sell for 30,000. So guys, if you want to restore motorbikes, to that was amazing. And now we can sell it for practically 8,000. No, 2,000. Which is still good money for a motorbike. My name is Philip from the channel Los Santos Polski Hity, and you are watching my my garage fixing the L500 motorbike, where we're building it. And in the future updates, we're gonna fix the suspension on this car. Not gonna do any body work, just fix the suspension and change the engine in it. Because I can see there's not much damage on the body except a little panel deformation, but to be honest, maybe change the body panels on the front, you know, do the whole front from the scratch. We'll see, or maybe leave it the way it is. And like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you thought of today's episode. And if you want to see those kind of episodes in the future where I build the car back, this car is next on the list for the engine transplant. So I think what I'm gonna do to this feature is do the whole restoration itself. Gonna see how the rust condition is. Look, the rust is nearly full complete. The color condition is okay, but I need to get the code for the color. You know, fix up car. Turn that off camera. Fix the beta panels. Let's see, the suspension is okay. I fixed it. New brakes now. And engine transplant is the next big job. So that's gonna be the whole front. I'm gonna cut out. Battery change. All the cables. They're a bit rotten. Busted cables. So, and needs new battery. Well, we'll see when we're gonna fix this car up. At the moment, it's all good, boys, girls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more future videos of this game. And give me an idea for the next car build. Shall we go to junker, or shall we just try to find the worst car condition possible to be found in the junkyard and fix it up? And leave down the comments also what was the favorite part of the video, and what could you do differently if you could. Was a possibility for you me to start another project? How would you like me to do? Would you like me to where I make a shorter video on it? Means skip the boring parts. You see me already ripping the body apart, all that. Or if you want me to see that again doing it, I have no problem doing this for you. I just have to do more works on the cars, get more money. We can bring the trailer. I'm gonna put the suspension on the other car, right? Because I cannot bring it into the shed, into the garage. As you can see, we have a portable hose. That car needs to be washed. Body panel needs to be checked. This whole car is gonna be my next full project. It's gonna be red and black. Maybe. There's good spark plugs if anyone wants. Just give me a call and I sell you the spark plugs. That's not a problem for me. As you can see, I show you guys. I looked at this car and nothing. All needs rebuilding. All floor panels gone. Suspension is alright. body panels can be fixed and washed. Because this is just the dirt. Look, I show you. See? The car is just dirty. Because it's a junkyard part. And I'm thinking maybe instead of paving it, just change the floor panels. You see, beaten panels change. Whatever needs fixing, fix. I'm thinking I'm gonna do full restoration body. The body panels are beyond saving. Then decide the color and put the plates on it. That's when we can enjoy build. Well, you already seen me fixing this car up, so that's my side project. That's what I do in my free time, is I buy cars, as you can see, and fix them up for profit. Thanks for watching anyways, and I'll get going, trying to bring this car into the garage, hoping for the best. And for today's episode, you've seen me fixing motorbike, the L500. That's gonna go on YouTube right now. I upload it before I go off. First, let's skip to the daytime for a minute, and let's have a look at the damage. Yeah, this car is totally shit. Let's see the condition. No condition at all. That's why I love junkyard cars. This is like a project car if someone wants to do side jumps. So, thanks for watching. Again, sorry for delaying, but just saying in the future, I'm thinking about respraying this car as well. Another rebuild for me to do. And in the future, if you stay tuned, lots of changes, cars, updates, all my things you see in my property. All these cars, they're future projects. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.